institute some paperwork to the carriers who's picking up the loads that they must be American, speak English, and have a valid CDLs or two forms of identification. The shipper or the broker should call before giving any loads to the carrier or the person who's picking up the load. The broker should get a picture ID, a CDL, Class A CDL, of said driver picking up the load. Send that over to the shipper. The shipper will verify. Sometimes these loads are picked up by third parties. They try to play the game. So what y'all need to do is to verify the driver is to the shipper. And if it don't match up, then you deny them the load. That's going to help with that. Also, sometimes when they pick the load up, they send the load to a third party or preferably as coming into this trucking industry. By the way, I've been driving for over 26 years on these highways and byways. And the way that I see a lot of these truckers, foreign truckers, getting these CDLs out the bubble gum machine, because ain't no way in the world the way that they drive on the highways and byways, state routes, and also in parking lots. It's ridiculous. Ain't no way they went to school and obtained a professional Class A CDLs and drive the way that they drive. Because it makes me, and I feel that I have a lot of patience. I believe that I have a lot of patience. I've been a driver trainer. I have a lot of patience. But my patience is really wearing thin because of these drivers. I can't even call them